My head gets cut off.
Well, you're 8'4" and I'm 4'8". How do you do that? That is a piece of cake. Oh, it's up there.
Now it's on your face.
Phone's off. Pencils down. First move.
No, I need to do an introduction.
Oh, go on then, get that out of the way. We're making a Negroni with a Flair. Action.
Backed by popular demand, my dad.
6 years later.
6 years later, today we're going to be making a Negroni with Flair, right?
A Flair and Negroni. 2.
One for me, one for
One
me.
each. Oh, you didn't say that.
There
Enough?
Yeah. Hold it like this.
Like
You're going to throw it up and catch it like that.
Go like that and catch it like that.
Exactly. Right.
With the real gear, excuse me. Just checking.
Yes! Now you can pour all of that in there. Bottoms up. Boom.
Campari.
And you can do a Flair move with that.
Here it is.
Good catch.
Up to the line which says
That
stop.
one. Yes. In the what's the name? So labels out.
8 tops.
1, 2, 3, 8 to 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't worry about that.
So here's your bottle.
There's nothing in it.
No, we're going to learn a move.
Oh, it's
Grab the jigger, big end up.
big end up.
You're going to hold the bottle like this. Bring it around your head like this.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Put it in the inside on your shoulder and put it inside the jigger.
Up like that.
And then you're going to go roll it down your arm like this and grab it.
How am I going to roll it from there? I'm supposed to be that side.
Bend your arm a bit. That's it. Now roll it down. Whee.
Can't even see it.
Well, watch the bottle. Now turn your hand over and grab hold of the bottle.
You're being silly now. I've got to get it that way. And then I'll go around the bottle. Oh,
that's it.
I get stuck.
Put the jigger, that's it. Then put your arm out like this. And then roll it down. It doesn't roll because these are rubber, but you're going to roll it down like that. That's it. And then you just grab it like this.
Yeah, but all the gear's going to be tipping out. And then I'll go like that.
Come around like this.
Yeah.
You put this thing on top.
Yeah.
You go like this. Roll, grab. See? It's the physics means it doesn't pour. Are you ready?
Well, I might as well be.
Round the head.
Let's get stuck around the top.
That's it. Put that on top. That's it. Roll it down. Roll it down. Roll it down. Lean it forwards. Lean it forwards. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Grab. Hold it there. Right. Now lift up and stop the pour. No. the vermouth. That's it. We need a bit more than that though.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's nothing in there.
Yeah.
I'll break one if I do that.
I'll put the ice in the glass. 1, 2.
Right.
You need to put some ice in this bad boy.
Why didn't you do that while you had it up there?
Well, because I'm just showing you how it works. Keep going.
I will.
Yeah.
There you go, look at that.
Now, you got a spoon. You got to hold onto the handle.
I will.
Stir.
Old Mother Riley bought a cow to milk it, she did know not how. She pulled its tail instead of its tit, and all that she got was a bucket of. What did you think I was going to say? To rely. Is that enough there?
I don't know, try it. Are you happy?
Lovely, isn't it? What about the straw? You want to keep it?
Just throw it in my face. We might have. Oh, we don't have any excess.
No.
Like that.
Ah, I know that now. You should have said that.
Hold it like that.
Oh, thumb.
And the finger goes.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Why couldn't I do it my way?
Wait, go on in.
No.
Remember, exactly the same amount in each.
Well, give us a chance. That's it. Perfect.
All right.
Hang on.
We've got a couple of orange pills. They're actually clementine pills because we didn't have any oranges.
But don't tell them that.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go first, and then you go second. Ready? In drink. In the drink.
Hey.
That's it.
That's it.
Finished. Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Shouldn't there be something to soften the blow?
Yeah, more stirring.
How can that soften it? I'm talking about something else, like an orange.
Orange bitters?
If it's bitter, it's going to make it bitter, isn't it?
It'll also give it an orange flavour. When the ice melts, it will dilute in the drink and will soften it down. That's what the dilution does.
Maybe, I don't know. But there's only one way to find out, isn't there? Put some in. That's enough, don't overdo it. Oh, now, can you tell the difference?
Yeah.
Oh, yes!
Or, if you want, chocolate.
No.
So you can put some in for yourself.
I will. How many dribbles?
As orangey as you want it.
It's not likely to come off any day today.
Cheers.
Much better.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. That is how you make a Negroni with Flair with my dad.
On your birthday.
Oh, it's his birthday today.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
You can have a Negroni for your
Oh,
birthday.
lovely. And all the best to all you people out there.
There you go.
Happy birthday.
Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Cheers.
Let's go.
Another 76 years.
You got to go that way.
Oh, bye.